Good. Thank you, Kala, for having me here today.
We'd love your expert opinion on women and women's health. So, my
Yeah.
first question to you is five things that women over 40 need to be aware of themselves. No, I didn't write it, sorry.
Okay. So when you get to 40, it's sort of it's like a cornerstone, the first one that you will hit, because you can be perimenopausal before that or just starting to become perimenopausal. And when you get perimenopausal and you're going to come to menopause later, hormonal changes in your body and body changes are the first thing that you need to become aware of. Also, you need to become aware that you can become at a higher risk for lifestyle diseases such as hypertension and diabetes. Okay,
Okay.
so that's the first thing I would look at, our health, okay, and hormonal changes. The second thing we are looking at is we need to relook at our goals in life at this time. So they could
Yeah.
be personal goals, they could be personal growth, they could be your career goals, they could be about your finances. So not many women talk about finances and how they manage them and whether they are financially independent or not, but it's
Yeah.
never too late to start. Okay, and I think 40 is a good age, if you've not thought about it before, to think about it and start.
A good age to
Yeah,
reassess if the
to
direction that you're going
reassess
in is the
and to
right
go
direction.
ahead. Yes, Kala.
Perfect.
The
The third
third
thing?
thing is most women at this time have they face the emptiness syndrome. Okay, their children go away to university and they are faced with, either if they have other siblings at home, then it's all right, they make do with that, but any child leaving and going away, um, you miss the child terribly. And I
Exactly.
think you need to come to terms with that. You need to have your hobbies in place. Okay, you need to develop these from before, and if you've not done that, then 40 is really a good time. It's
Yes.
never late, remember
Yeah.
that.
Yeah.
So you practice your hobbies. It could be anything you like, it could be a sport, it could be just embroidery, it could be any hobby that you like. Okay, but that's the third thing I would say, be aware of that.
Yourself, because you've done all your life for your family. So try
Yes.
to have some interest for yourself that makes
Absolutely. And if you've not managed to sort of, hone that interest right through your life, go back to what you were really liking in your 20s and when you were younger, and go
yeah.
back to those things, and pick them up again.
Okay.
Then the fourth thing I would say is step out of your comfort zone. Okay. This is the time to do it.
Yeah.
You need
If
to
not now,
challenge
when?
it.
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
need to challenge yourself. All right. So do things that you're really fearful about, but you want to do them. Yeah. I
Yeah.
mean, don't let yourself think with regret 20 years down the line that, oh, I wish I had done it when I was 40. You
Yeah.
know, so that is another thing. And learn to say no to certain things that you don't want to do.
Exactly. Yes.
Most of us can never say no. We say yes to everything in our workplace as well as at home.
Yeah.
So learn to bring that in for your own peace of mind more than
Exactly.
anything else.
So that's the fifth point.
No,
Learn to.
the fifth
Okay.
point is exercise and sleep has to be prioritized. If
Okay.
you
How
don't
important?
do this, you're bringing on more disease.
Yeah.
So that's
Perfect.
my
So
fifth point.
5 points, beautifully put.
Yeah,
What women over 40 need to be aware of.
aware of. Yes.
Perfectly. Thank you
Yes.
so much. Thank you
Thank you,
so much.
Kala. Thank you.